Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 11 25H2 on any PC. You can see I'm using Windows 11 Pro 25H2 on my PC, and in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process. So, without getting much more delay, let's get started. But before jumping into the process, I just want to introduce to the sponsor. So, you've just installed Windows 11 on your new PC. You need a license to activate it, or simply need a license to use Office. You probably gone on Microsoft website and the price have knocked you back. Because, yes, that's not within everyone's rate, but thanks to keyfans.com, this is no longer a problem as we completely legal activation keys for a very reduced price. And why this low price? Because they're OEM keys that are linked to your PC hardware. That is to say, the license will work for lifetime unless you change your motherboard. Furthermore, with the code SUDAMA50, you'll get a 50% discount on the purchase of your Windows license. And with the code SUDAMA60, you'll get a 62% discount on your Office license. Buying is very easy. Add a product to the cart, apply the discount code, and you can pay with a credit card or a PayPal. Once you make the payment, your Windows or Office key will be sent to you with a lifetime guarantee. Plus, if you have any problem, Keys Fan offers 24 hours customer service. We'll leave the links and all information in the description. A big thank you to Key Fans for sponsoring to this video. So now let's come to how to download Windows 11 25H2. Go to your browser and search for Windows 11 download. And here will be the page. Open it. And then from there, scroll a little bit. And here, from the drop down, select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. And now click on Confirm. And now, choose your language. I'm choosing English United States. Click on Confirm. Now click on 64-bit download and download will be started. And now again, search for Rufus. And here you'll find the link, rufus.ie. Open it. And scroll a bit, and here you'll find the latest one. Click on here, close the ad, and download started. After everything's downloaded, close your browser, go to download folder, and here you'll find two things: Windows 11 25H2 ISO file and the Rufus. Now you'll have to insert a pen drive to your PC, minimum 8 GB in size. Now double tap on Rufus. Click on yes. Click on yes again. Now, select your Windows 11 25H2 file and drag and drop it to Rufus. One thing you can also do, click on select and go to download and again select Windows 11 25H2. Click on open. This is also one way. Now, close the file explorer. Now before starting, make sure that every data on your pen drive is backed up, because in the process, your pen drive will be formatted, so you make sure it's backed up. Now click on yes, OK. From there, make sure it's selected at GPT, and now click on Start. In the section, if you want to create a default username, click on here. If your PC is unsupported, then it should have clicked this option to remove requirements for plus RAM and secure TPM 2.0, etc. Now, if you want to set the region option as it is, you can also select if you want. Click on OK. Again, click on OK, and now it's started. Now you'll have to wait 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. Now, when it's completed, it will show ready, and you click on close. Now it's done. Now this time, you gotta restart your PC and access the boot menu. To access the boot menu, you can repeat this photo, otherwise you can search in Google. Now, let me restart my PC. Now from the boot menu, select the USB drive and hit enter. Now, choose a language, click on next, choose a keyboard layout, and click on next. Now, select install Windows 11 and click on this checkbox. Click on next. choose I don't have product key. Now, choose the Windows version and click on Next. Accept terms and conditions. Now, if you want to install the boot, just select your drive and click on Next. In my case, I want to install clean, so I'll press on my keyboard Shift plus F10 and type disk port and hit enter. And now type list space disk, hit enter, and then type cell space disk space the disk number. In my case, my disk is disk 0, this is my SSD, and this is my pen drive. So 0 is the disk which I want to delete or erase everything. Hit enter. Now type clean and hit enter. If you hit enter, everything will be cleaned on your SSD or hard drive. Hit on clean. Now done. Close it. And now replace it. It's done. Select your drive and click on next. Now click on install. Now it gotta wait 10 to 15 minutes to complete the installation. During the installation, your PC may restart several times. Don't worry, the installation process will keep continuing even after restart. Now if you have internet, connect to it. I want to select I don't have internet and select everything. Click on accept. Again, scroll a bit and click on accept. Now finally you're on Windows 11. Welcome to Windows 11. I'm just showing you. You can see I'm using Windows 11 Pro 25S2. Thanks for watching.